In the dynamic landscape of business management software, Zoho Books stands out as a robust and user-friendly accounting solution embraced by businesses of all sizes. Its intuitive interface, comprehensive features, and seamless integration with the broader Zoho ecosystem have made it a go-to choice for streamlining financial operations. But behind this powerful tool lies the vision and relentless dedication of a remarkable individual and a pioneering technology company. So, let's delve into the story and answer the fundamental question. Who is the founder of Zoho Books? To truly understand the genesis of Zoho Books, we must first look at the parent company that brought it to life, Zoho Corporation. The driving force and the visionary behind Zoho Corporation, and consequently Zoho Books, is Sridhar Vembu. Sridhar Vembu is not just a founder. He is an engineer, a thinker, and a proponent of a unique business philosophy. Born in a small village in Tamil Nadu, India, Vembu's journey is an inspiring tale of intellectual curiosity, a deep-rooted understanding of technological potential, and a commitment to building a sustainable and ethical business. After graduating with a degree in electrical engineering from the Indian Institute of Technology, IIT, Madras, and earning a PhD from Princeton University, Vembu could have easily followed the well-trodden path of joining a large multinational corporation. However, his entrepreneurial spirit and a desire to create meaningful technology led him down a different route. In 1996, along with Tony Thomas, Vembu co-founded AdventNet Incorporated. This company, initially focused on providing network management software, laid the foundation for what would eventually evolve into the globally recognized Zoho Corporation. While AdventNet's initial focus wasn't on accounting software, it cultivated the engineering talent, the customer-centric approach, and the culture of innovation that would later be instrumental in the development of Zoho Books. The transition from network management to a comprehensive suite of business applications was a strategic and evolutionary process. Vembu recognized the growing need for integrated and affordable software solutions for businesses, particularly small and medium-sized enterprises, SMEs. This vision led to the rebranding of AdventNet to Zoho Corporation in 2009, signifying a broader focus beyond network management. Zoho Books was a natural extension of this vision. Understanding that efficient financial management is crucial for the success of any business, Vembu and his team embarked on creating an accounting software that was not only feature-rich but also seamlessly integrated with other Zoho applications like Zoho CRM, Zoho Inventory, and Zoho Projects. This integration was a key differentiator, offering businesses a unified platform to manage various aspects of their operations. As a project management expert, I can appreciate the strategic foresight behind developing Zoho Books as part of a larger ecosystem. Just as in project management where integrated tools streamline workflows and improve collaboration, Zoho's suite of applications offers businesses a cohesive environment, eliminating data silos and enhancing efficiency. Zoho Books plays a critical role in this ecosystem by providing the financial backbone that integrates with sales, marketing, operations, and project management functions. What makes Sridhar Vembu's leadership particularly noteworthy is his unwavering commitment to building a sustainable and ethical business. Zoho has consciously chosen to remain privately held, allowing it to prioritize long-term vision and customer satisfaction over short-term financial pressures. This approach has fostered a culture of innovation and a deep understanding of customer needs, which is reflected in the design and functionality of Zoho Books. Furthermore, Vembu's belief in nurturing talent within India, particularly in rural areas, is a core tenet of Zoho's philosophy. By establishing offices and training centers in smaller towns, Zoho provides opportunities for individuals who might otherwise lack access to the global technology landscape. This commitment to social impact is deeply intertwined with the company's growth and success.